Good morning, everyone. So, in today's class, we are going to study History's first chapter, PUC second year, Impact of Geography on Indian History, section 4. So, in the previous class, we have already studied about the one of the unique feature of India, that is unity in diversity. This unity and diversity are again subdivided into 4 points, which are physical diversity, second one racial and linguistic diversity, third one social and religious diversity, and fourth one economic diversity. So in the today's class we are going to study about, in spite of all these diversities, there are many unifying forces that have kept India united. Important among them are as follow. In that first one, geographical unity. Himalayas in the north and oceans in the south have isolated India from rest of the world and formed a separate geographical unit. Second point, administrative unity. The administration system of ancient India was mostly identical and uniform, which has brought out by the Chanakya in his work Arthashastra. Rulers, administrators have tried to bring political unity. Mauryas, Guptas, Rashtrakutas, Kushanas, Vardhanas, Chalukyas, Mughals, Marathas, etc. have tried to bring the political unity by expanding their territories. Point number 3, uniform education and literature. In ancient India, there was a uniform education and literature. Sanskrit language and Vedic literature, including the epics like Ramayana, Mahabharata, and the Bhagavad Gita, had brought unity among the people and the feeling of oneness among the people. Pali and Prakrit were the languages of the common people, and during the medieval period, Persian language played an important role. Later, during the British rule, English became important and played an important role, but after independence, Hindi assumed that role. Hence, Indians have developed the spirit of tolerance and coexistence. Next, point number 4, religious and social ceremonies. Though India is the land of various religions, caste, creed, and sects, the people live a very happy and peaceful life, and also they will participate in the religious and social ceremonies of each other. Next, point number 5 and the last point of today's class, that is recent changes. Our constitution and the policies of the government, present economic and social conditions, the effects of the globalization, etc., have reduced the difference among the different religions and the caste. The food habits, dress, customs, traditions, etc. are not much different from each other today. This again has brought a unity among the people. So we'll end this section here. I hope you have understood today's class. If you have any doubts, please comment me below. I will definitely clear your doubts in my upcoming section, and also give me feedback about my teaching, and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting topics in upcoming section. See you all tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay safe.